If your voice chat or microphone is not working in R.E.P.O, which I assume is a gamer application, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Here's a comprehensive guide to fixing microphone and voice chat issues. 1. Check basic hardware. Before diving into software settings, ensure that your microphone and any associated hardware are functioning properly. Check the mic connection. Ensure that your microphone is correctly plugged into your computer for wired mics. For Bluetooth mics, ensure they are connected and paired properly. If using a headset, verify that the audio jack or USB connection is fully inserted into the correct port. Test your microphone. Open sound settings on your computer. Right-click the sound icon in the taskbar and select Open Sound Settings. Scroll down to Input and select your microphone from the drop-down. Test the microphone input by speaking into it and watching for movement in the input level bar. 2. Set microphone as default input device. Ensure your microphone is set as the default input device for Windows. Open Sound Settings. Right-click on the sound icon in the taskbar and select Sounds. Go to the Recording tab. Right-click your microphone and select Set as default device. Right-click again and select Set as default communication device. Test microphone. Right-click the microphone in the Recording tab, then select Properties. Check the Levels tab and ensure the microphone volume is up and not muted. Update or reinstall audio drivers. Outdated or corrupted audio drivers can cause microphone issues. 3. Update audio drivers. Press Windows plus X and select Device Manager. Expand the audio inputs and outputs section. Right-click your microphone device and select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Reinstall audio drivers. If updating doesn't work, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the drivers. Right-click on your microphone device in Device Manager. Select Uninstall Device and restart your computer. Windows should automatically reinstall the necessary drivers after a restart. Check for software conflicts. Other software, such as Skype, Discord, or other voice chat applications, may be conflicting with R.E.P.O. Close any other applications that might be using the microphone, e.g. Skype, Discord, etc. Disable or mute voice chat in other apps temporarily and check if R.E.P.O voice chat works. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the voice chat, microphone not working issue in R.E.P.O. Let me know if you need more help.